Danky lungs up in this bitch and now. Skirt, 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 skirt. Ranjero, eating rice and potatoes, pepperoni on my pizza, or carnitas from Don Pedro's. The elders, they call me a rebel. Yes, niggas just ain't on my level. I'ma keep pushing the pedal. I think they call me a devil. My people, they put me on standby. I see the hate in everybody's eyes, but that shit came with no surprise. I gotta tell the truth though, I can't lie. I'm not an addict on Molly. I'm working on kickflips and ollies. Turned up for him at the party. I smile, I go gleam, I look saucy. I'm done talking to fathers. Go tell your Hoya Walasha that I don't want no more pasta. I'm wearing them dreads like a shotter, mixing up lean on my fauna. I do where I wanna, cause I grew up on the corners. For Trump bitch from picking the borders. C-Task start hating on me, homies start changing on me. So I got free 40s on me, and I got that get on me. One more than we play no T, one more than we play no T. Nigga, I ain't Aladdin, my wifey better than Jasmine. I'm living like you wouldn't imagine. Wallahi, I keeping me laughing. I guess you just mad you ain't tatted. I take off my shirt and I'm blasted. You see all the ink and you panic. I know that your parents can stand it.
I'm not a regular Somali. Tattoos all over my body. Pizza with salami. Vacay in Hawaii. I'm not a regular Somali. Tattoos all over my body. Pizza with salami. Vacay in Hawaii. Not a regular Somali. Not a regular Somali. Not a regular Somali. Not a regular Somali. Not a regular Somali.